everyone. Today I will show you how to download any Shapefile data from any location around the world. So now we start. So you just go to any browser you are using and go to search and type this website dygis.org/data.html. Just this one I will copy into the link in my video. So go search, and from here you can select the country you want to download the data. For example, here I will select Chile. So I want to download the data from Chile, and I want to download the administration boundary, like the provincial boundary, district boundary, something like that. You can select here. When you select here, it will give you the downloads link here. You just click here to download the data. You just filter and just wait a little bit. It will finish soon from here. So after downloading, you can go to find your file. This is your file, Chile. You just go to find your file here. Your file already downloaded, so you can extract it and you can use in any software that available in your application. For example, QGIS, CIS, or any application for you. You can start using all those shapefiles. Thank you.